Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for S corporation status. First, it is crucial to understand the fundamental requirements for this tax election. Your business must be an eligible domestic corporation, meaning it is incorporated within the United States. This initial step ensures your company meets the foundational criteria set by the Internal Revenue Service for S corporation treatment. Next, let's review the key eligibility criteria. An S corporation cannot have more than 100 shareholders. These shareholders must typically be individuals, certain trusts, or estates, excluding partnerships or corporations. Furthermore, your company can only issue one class of stock, though different voting rights are permissible. Meeting these specific conditions is essential for qualification. The core of the application process involves IRS Form 2553, titled Election by a Small Business Corporation. You must accurately complete this form, providing all necessary business and shareholder information. Crucially, all shareholders must consent to the election by signing the form. Once completed, submit it to the IRS. Adhering to deadlines is vital for your S corporation election to be effective for the current tax year. Generally, Form 2553 must be filed by March 15th, or within 2 months and 15 days of the beginning of the tax year. If you miss this, the election may take effect the following year. Always consider consulting a tax professional for tailored guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.